Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M31s. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. And now tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Let's enter loyalty. And now select loyalty card you want to add. For example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Tap Save. And it's done. Now we can add gift card. It's pretty similar to loyalty card. Select Shop. Then add card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Save. And last card you can add is public transport. So if you are able to find your public transport, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.